To use your WIC benefits at Target with ease, first, download the Target app from the App Store or Google Play. If you don't have one, create a Target Circle account or log in if you already have one. Next, find the WIC section within the app, typically located in the account settings or payment options. Here, you'll be prompted to enter your WIC EBT card number, PIN, and any other required verification details, such as state-specific codes. Enable biometric login for added security. Once added, your WIC card is ready for use. This digital integration eliminates the need for physical cards or vouchers. When shopping at Target, use the Target app to scan WIC-eligible items. The app uses its camera or barcode scanner to identify approved products like milk, cheese, eggs, fruits, vegetables, infant formula, and cereals. As you scan, the app checks eligibility against your WIC balance and deducts the benefits accordingly. Note that you'll need to pay for any non-WIC items separately at checkout. To redeem, confirm the transaction within the app. The benefits are applied instantly. You'll receive a digital receipt accessible in the app, allowing you to track your WIC usage. The app also provides alerts for balance shortages, ensuring compliance with USDA regulations.